Always keep your chain very clean. I carry something like this, just like a wet tissue, but specifically to take the grease out. So take it out. Just got a piece of paper, a towel, whatever you want to say, and you really clean it. The chain is the heart of the bicycle. It always has to be very clean. Look how dirty it is. So I keep changing. Sometimes I wear gloves, sometimes I don't. You clean it very well. In the Brompton, I prefer doing like this. Okay? Because you just move a little bit and then clean it. See? Sideways, top, wood, bottom. Look how dirty it is. If you have a chance to send to a store to clean it, it's better, but sometimes you don't when you're traveling. Okay, after you wash your gloves, you go very slowly. Try to get all, I don't know how you call it. In Portuguese we call elos. Whatever. You know, little things that get together. Try to go to all of them, because one of them are very important. Let's do it. To go around the chain in the Brompton, you have to go 3 times with the pedals. That makes a whole chain. And I prefer to do it here because if any oil drops, it drops on top of another piece of chain. So it's better. See? Look at the sound of it. Good, isn't it? Oh, and here too. Here's a little chain also. This one you have to be careful so it won't drop anything. Whoops. It's a very special place also. Okay. Enjoy your ride. Some more tips for the Brompton. When you put your seat down, put it just slightly towards the left side. You know what? Because when you hold it, leave the bike outside. See? If you put it like this, straight up, the bike stays near you. See? Another thing is, when I walk, sometimes it bumps and it opens. See? So what I did, a little piece of rubber, put it here. So when it bumps, nothing happens. Simple. And it helps a lot.